Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of wellness where we unravel the secrets of healthy living. Today, we're exploring a health challenge that has become all too common in recent years: high blood sugar. It's a silent adversary, creeping up unnoticed until it becomes a formidable problem. But fear not, for today, we'll be unveiling 5 foods that are not just delicious, but also effective in taming that sugar beast. First up is the avocado. Now you might know it as the star of your favorite brunch dish, but this creamy fruit is also a warrior in the battle against high blood sugar. Packed with healthy fats and dietary fiber, avocados slow down digestion and keep those blood sugar levels steady. So go ahead and enjoy that avocado toast or that creamy guacamole guilt-free. Next in our lineup is the humble cinnamon. This aromatic spice isn't just for making your oatmeal taste better or your coffee more exciting. Cinnamon is a true blood sugar superhero, improving insulin sensitivity and lowering fasting blood sugar levels. It's a sweet and spicy addition to your culinary repertoire that comes with a health boost. Now, who doesn't love a bowl of juicy berries? These vibrant fruits are not just a delight to the taste buds, but also a friend to your blood sugar levels. Berries are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, and their low glycemic index ensures they won't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar. So enjoy those strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries in your smoothie, fruit salad, or just as they are. Our fourth food might surprise you. It's the leafy green powerhouse, spinach. This green marvel is low in carbs and high in fiber, making it a fantastic choice for keeping blood sugar levels in check. Whether you like it sautéed, blended into a smoothie, or as the base of your salad, spinach is a must-have in your health-conscious kitchen. Last but not least, we have quinoa. This ancient grain has captured the hearts of health enthusiasts everywhere, and for good reason. Quinoa is a treasure trove of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making it a perfect replacement for refined grains. Plus, it's a delicious base for your Buddha bowls, stir-fries, or a simple side dish. So there you have it. 5 fantastic foods that can help lower your blood sugar and keep it in check. Remember, consistency is key, and these foods should be part of a balanced diet for best results. And of course, if you're managing a medical condition, always consult your healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes. Here's to a healthier, happier you.